Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to find a friend's Facebook account. Whether you're reconnecting with an old friend or searching for someone new, the process is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the top of your screen for the search icon. It's shaped like a magnifying glass. Tap on it to access the search bar. Now type your friend's name into the search bar and tap Search. Facebook will display a list of results that match the name you entered. To make your search more precise, tap on the People category. This filter will narrow down the results to only show profiles. Next, take a moment to scroll through the list of profiles. Look carefully at the profile pictures, names, and any other details provided to identify your friend's account. If there are too many results, you can refine your search further by adding additional information like their city, school, or workplace. Once you've found the correct profile, tap on it to view their page. If this is indeed your friend's account, you'll see an option to send them a friend request. Tap Add Friend to send the request. After this step, all that's left is for your friend to accept it. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a friend request on Facebook. Once accepted, you'll be able to see their posts and interact with them on the platform. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance finding friends on Facebook. See you next time.